Looking at me, you wouldn't believe that my birthday is in less than 5 days. I have no dress. My nails look really weird. My hair is hanging on a thread, and it's less than 5 days. But let's start with the hardest parts. So this is more like get ready with me for my birthday, or let's prepare for my birthday kind of thing. And the main part of it is making my dress. So I'm going to be using this very cute fabric. It's a fabric this time round, but it's thrifted. Yeah, so it's like a polka dot pink fabric. It's really cute. I'm so much into color lately, but I'm also pink. As you can see, I'm really into pink, and I want this birthday's dress to reflect on how I've been feeling lately and what I'm trying to tap into more in my next year, which is being more feminine, being more soft, and all that. I can talk about all that a lot, but I don't want to bore you. So this is the whole idea for my dress. So I want like a House of CB inspired dress, and like a coquette inspired dress, a silk inspired dress. So I'm going to combine all those elements and make one hell of cute dress. So I want like a nice corset top and like detachable puff sleeves, so that I can have like the dress which is just strappy, and then when I want to add on sleeves, I add them on because I'm a sucker for sleeves. So the sleeves, I want them to be like really nice and puffy. I'm targeting using this entire fabric. I know I'm known for maximizing my fabrics and using as little fabric as possible, but this time I'm going all out. So really nice puffy sleeves, a really nice fitted corset, and I want the corset to be like a V and then a gathered skirt, and then that gathered skirt has a tier and it's at my my knee length. I want it not to be that short and not to be that long. I'm also thinking of making hair accessories that is a bow, but I don't know my hairstyle yet for that day. I'm also thinking on some nail designs because I want to do them myself. I'll also be doing my own lashes, and then on that day of the photo shoot we can do the makeup and style the hair. But let's get into the dress. For the top, that is the corset top, I'm going to use the corset top pattern, but it's so cool. You all know I love that pattern, and that is what I'm going to use. I'm going to cut out from this fabric, and then I'm going to also cut out from a lining fabric because I want the top to have like nice structure. So I'm going to cut the pattern and then cut strips of fabric for the bottom and for the tier as well, and then cut strips of fabric for the sleeves. I have all of my pieces cut out. I have my sleeve pieces, I have my tier pieces, I have my skirt pieces, and I have my top pieces. Now I have the lining and the shell as well. I want the garment to have like an extra layer. Is not because it's transparent or anything, but because I want to have that volume. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and start sewing the top, and then attach the skirt to the tier, and then attach the skirt to the top. So if you want to see me make this exact same top, I've made it so many times. I will link 2 videos in the description box. You can check them out and it will be easier for you. Now from the pattern, I added an extra 4 inches up here so that it can be more modest, and I go in depth on this video right here on how I add that and manipulate the pattern. So that is the pattern I'm going to use, the manipulated pattern. So let's start by sewing the top.
Why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. Hollow shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Lately you've been trying to buy time for me, but your watch broke. Now your shot clock counting down. Pedal to the middle, not your MO. Baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm tryna make you my property. Better yet, buy me some property. 'Cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's never, never. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna.
So the shell and the lining are done, and now I just want to attach them at the top part, which is from the back over here. So it's from the back over here all the way to the top and to this part right here, and then to the neckline at the front and the strap, and all the way to the back. I'm going to leave out the center back and the bottom open.
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. 'Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now? 'Cause I really hate you, 'cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you, and I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off. No, there's no more saving things. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can meet me in the next life and the next one again. 'Cause I really hate you, 'cause you made me so blue.
So the shell and the lining are joined, and now I want to insert my strap to this point right here, and I will be done with the top so that I can start on the skirt.
Taking my time to look at you. After all that we've been through, wondering how you can do it. Kissing and queer with someone new. Is she the one you've been dying for? Keeping you out here more and more. You've been missing on your IG. Guess you thought I couldn't find her ID. You can hide the truth. Now I know why you left my calls on hold. Every time I found out you got reasons not to be around, but you fucked it well, you should praise yourself. I'm done putting my trust on you. Never knew, never thought that she would be the one that I needed most. I was such a fucking ass for cheating on you. Cause when I see the tears, I know I've lost ya. Yeah, I can have a million reasons, but there would be no reason for redemptions. Yeah, I can have some explanations, but how can I change the situation? This guilty feeling is me from inside. 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 You can have the truth. Now I know why you like.
So this is the skirt portion and I've attached it to the top, and now I have some sort of a dress. What I want to do is attach my zipper at the center back so that I can figure out how I'm going to handle the situation at the bottom.
My clothes on hold. Every time I felt that you got reasons not to be around, but you fucked it well, you should praise yourself. I'm done putting my trust on you. I'm done putting my trust.
So I have the zipper in and the back seam for the shell, and this is how the dress looks from the inside. It looks really nice. As you can see, I have no raw edges except for the back. And now I want to figure out the whole situation down here, because the piece that I cut out for the tier is a little bit smaller than I wanted it to be, and I'm thinking of cutting it so that it's shorter, but I do not know yet. So as I think about that, let me quickly make the sleeves that are detachable. With the channels that have been formed, I'm now going to fit in my elastics. Once the elastic is in, this is how the sleeves look. So I'm going to attach them right sides facing, and I'm going to be sewing them into a tube like so. These right here are my really cute puff sleeves that are detachable. So let me figure out the other parts.
Taking my time to look at you. After all that we've been through, wondering how you can do it. Kissing and queer with someone new. Is she the one you've been dying for? Keeping you out here more and more. You've been missing and on your IG. Guess you thought I couldn't find her ID. You can hide the truth. No, I know why you left.
The tier is attached, and now I'm just going to take out the pins, and the last step to this dress is hemming, and it will be completely done, and I'm so excited for you to see how it looks.